Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. Today we would like to do our Nuvoton project.
Yes.
For KEEE
43.
For instrumentation. And this is our group. The first one is Natasha, Amira binti Sugianto. The next to her is Teoh Wei Ren. This is Pang and Shean. And this is Xuan Limbo. And then me is Syarah Husna binti Muhammad. This is our microwave timer, and we will start to reset this timer first. We will press the reset button and it will show the microwave timer for 2 minutes.
And yes, every 30 seconds it will beep once.
And when it reaches the time indicated, which is the 2 minutes, it will beep with a more rapid rate to show that your food is done.
So right now we will take a look at the first beep. Yes, this is the first beep.
So you will have to wait it until 2 minutes.
Yes. Right now it seems that 2 minutes is kind of long.
This is the second beep.
Yes.
For time purposes, we skip to 96 seconds.
So are you ready for last beep?
Yeah.
Are you ready for your chicken to be prepared?
Yeah.
Hold on, 3, 2, 1. Yup.
Yay!
When you are not ready for your food to be done, you can press reset anytime.
Like for example, when I press this, the food is it stopped cooking, and the microwave timer is stopped.
So we set this because we have considered the safety feature that a microwave must have, that we can stop the microwave anytime we would like to.
So it is shown that this program has all the basic necessities that a microwave should have.